Jai Srimanarayana. 29th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Jara Marana Mokshaya Mamasritya Yatanti Ye Te Brahma Tatviduhu Kritsnam Adhyatmam Karmacha Akhilam. Om. Take refuge in Sri Krishna Paramatma to understand your true nature, to get rid of those activities which leads to rebirth. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall take refuge in you to understand my true nature, to get rid of those activities which leads to rebirth. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham, 48th day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Sriman Narayana, who has just born to Devaki Devi, he is speaking to Devaki Devi like this: O my dear mother, in the past life, previous life, you have asked a boon that, O Bhagavan, I want a son just like you. But you never asked for Navavradhe Apavargaha. You never asked for moksham. Anyway, so I gave you a boon that I will be born to you for 3 times in 3 lives. In that life, I was Prishnigarbha, with that name, I was born to you. And the second life, you both were Aditi and Kasyapa. Upendra iti vikyato vamanatvacha vamanaha. In that life, I am born to you and with the name Upendra. Because I was short, I was also called as Vamana. Oh, my dear mother, తృతీయే అస్మిన్ భవేహం వై తేనైవ వపుషాధవాం జాతః. ఇప్పుడు మూడవ భవమున తప్పక మీకు ఇరువురకును తనయుడనైతిని. Now this is the third time I am born to you, and only to help you remember all my past lives and your past lives, I am born to you with this Vishnu Swarupam. Otherwise you would never know that I am Vishnu. You would never realize that Sri Mahavishnu is born to you. Oh my dear parents, యువాం మాం పుత్రభావేన బ్రహ్మభావేన చ అసకృత్ చింతయంతౌ కృతస్నేహౌ యాస్యేధే మద్గతిం పరాం. నందనుండనియున్ పరమానందంబగు బ్రహ్మమణియు నను తలచుచు నాయందు ప్రేమమున భవమునందరు మీరల్ నా పెందెరువునొందెదరు. Oh my dear parents, I am Sakshat Parabrahma. Now I am born to you as your son. From now onwards, you can take care of me with all of your affection and love, treating me as your son, but realizing that I am Sakshat Paramatma. With that jnanam, you can treat me. And with all that love and affection that you are showing on me, with all that, you will definitely remember me constantly and you will attain the supreme state. Like that, Paramatma blessing Devaki Devi and Vasudeva. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 29th sloka. Jara marana mokshaya mamashritya yatanti ye te brahma tatviduhu kritsnam adhyatmam karma chakhilam. జరా మరణ మోక్షాయ మామాశ్రిత్య యతంతి యే తే బ్రహ్మా తద్విదుః కృత్స్నం అధ్యాత్మం కర్మ చాఖిలం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.